are going to start with chapter 6, that is our festival. So in this chapter, I will tell you about different festival. As you know that our country India is a land of festival. Here we celebrate different types of festival. We celebrate religious festival, national festival and harvest festival, right? So here let's study about national festival first. So here some pictures has been given. You have to answer them, right? It's your homework. Now first is Independence Day. This day is celebrated on 15th August. On this day in year 1947, India become free. On this day, Prime Minister of our country wanted to do its host what? National flag on Red Fort, and people attend flag hosting ceremonies, and the Prime Minister also gives speech. और वो क्या देते हैं? Speech देते हैं. Right, then comes the Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th of January. Every year in 1950, India, it's become a democratic republic. A grand parade is held on India Gate. और जो dignitaries हैं, they all are invited over here. Right, then we have Gandhi Jayanti, when it is celebrated on 2nd of October. Is the birthday of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And when he was born in 1869, and where? In Porbandar. Now we have Children's Day. 40th November is celebrated as Children's Day. On this day, we celebrate birthday of the first Prime Minister of India, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children, what lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru कहते हैं. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, what he do? He loves children very much. Right? Then we have Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on 5th of September. Right? And it's a birthday of S. Radhakrishnan, and he was the scholar and also second president of India. Hence his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. और इनका birthday जो है वो हम कैसे celebrate करते हैं? As a Teachers' Day. Now comes religious festival. What are religious festivals? Like Diwali, Holi, Guru Parv, Eid al-Fitr. What are these? These are religious festivals. So Diwali, which is the biggest festival of light, right? And on this day, Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan, had a demon. 20 days after Dashera, people celebrate Diwali with great pomp and show. इसको फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट कहते हैं. People अपने घर को डेकोरेट करते हैं, right? And people wear new clothes, and children like to set off firecrackers. People distribute sweets to relatives and friends. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi and God Lord Ganesha. Dashera, इसको क्या कहते हैं? विजयदशमी. Right? It marks the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan. On this day, effigies of Ravan are burned. Right? Then we have Holi, which is the festival of color. It is celebrated in the month of March when जो crops होते हैं, they are ready to harvest. Right? People, what they do, they throw gulal on each other, and the people of Tamil Nadu and Onam is what they do, they celebrate this festival. Now, Basant Panchami falls on the beginning of spring season, and it's celebrated in the honor of goddess Saraswati. She is the goddess of learning and art, and during this period, kites are flown. Children love to fly kites. Then we have Christmas and Easter. They are the festival which is celebrated by Christians. It is celebrated on 20th of December because Jesus Christ was born on this day, and Jesus Christ died when he was nailed on to the क्रॉस, बट ही केम बैक टू लाइफ. और ये जो डे है इसको हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? एज ईस्टर. नाउ दुर्गा पूजा पॉपुलर फेस्टिवल है कहाँ का? वेस्ट बंगाल का. इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज दुर्गा पूजा इन वेस्ट बंगाल. गुजराती पीपल परफॉर्म गरबा. महाराष्ट्र वाले जो लोग हैं वो डांडी रास परफॉर्म करते हैं. दिस लास्ट फॉर 9 days, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? नवरात्र. Eid ul-Fitr, Muslim celebrated. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zulla. They fast for a whole month during the day and they offer namaz in the mosque. Muharram is another festival of the Muslim community. Then come Guru Parv. Sikhs celebrate Guru Parv. They celebrated to mark the birthday of their gurus. A great langar is held in the Gurudwara. Rich and poor all sit there and eat it. Other birthday are also celebrated of the religious community like Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti and Ganesh Chaturthi. So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.